Good morning, friends. Today we are going to do a numerical problem on the topic retirement benefits. Okay, the problem is in front of you. Please go through the problem and we will start doing the problem. Okay, so the problem goes like this. There is a Mr. Suresh Mehta. He was working in a factory in Anantapur of Andhra Pradesh, and he was working. Please assume that he is working in a private organization. Okay, number one. Number two, he has retired on 1/1/2020 during the year 2019-20. He has retired and he served the organization for 26 years. And during the year 2019-20, he has worked for 9 months, and after the completion of December, on 1st January, he has retired. So 9 months salary he will get and 3 months pension we will get. Please remember point number one. Number two, his basic salary is 43,000 per month and dearness allowance is 7,000 per month. And the whole of the dearness allowance goes into the calculation of the retirement benefits. Now, this is part two. Part three is he is entitled to a pension of rupees 6,000 per month, and out of which what he did was he commuted 3/4 of the total pension, and for which he got rupees 15 lakhs. In addition to this, he received a gratuity of rupees 10 lakhs. In addition to this pension, he has even received a gratuity of rupees 10 lakhs. And on top of it, he is entitled for 30 days of leave for each completed year of service, and whatever were the unavailed leaves still pending, he has got a leave encashment of 7 lakh rupees. And leaves which were unavailed were 12 months, and today he is retiring, so he can't further avail the leaves. Okay, now we have to find out the gross income from salary of Mr. Suresh Mehta for the assessment year 2020-21, assuming is covered under provisions of Gratuity Act 1972. Let's solve the problem. Let's solve the problem. The problem is like this. Okay, so basic salary is 43,000 into 9 is equal to 3,87,000. So this is the calculation part. This is the calculation part. This is the total amount, and this is taxable, and this is the taxable column. This is the taxable column. Taxable column. Next one. DA. DA, it is given in the problem 7,500, 7,000 per month into 9 is equal to 6,63,000 rupees. So this is fully taxable. So, and it has been kept under fully taxable column. Next one is uncommitted pension. That already I told in my last video that it is a partly payment of pension or monthly payment of pension. Now the full pension, he was full uncommitted pension was 16,000 rupees. But what did he do? He committed 3/4 of the pension. So now he is entitled to only 1/4 of the uncommitted pension per month. So that is equal to 4,000 rupees per month. Okay, 4,000 rupees per month. 4,000 rupees per month. So he is retiring from January onwards. So he will get pension, and this will be included in the salary. And as I already told in the last class, uncommitted pension is taxable, fully taxable, whether it is a government employee or non-government employee, under the head income from salary. So this particular year, he retired in the month of he's retiring from the month from 1st January onwards. So from 1st January he will get pension, monthly pension, and before that 9 months he got salary. So that's the reason here we have taken 9 months. Here we have taken 3 months. So 4,000 into 3 is equal to 12,000 rupees. Is that monthly pension he is getting for 3 months, that is January, February and March, and we are taking this particular thing we have calculated for the financial year 2019-20. Okay, next one, uncommitted pension, which is called as lump sum payment of pension, Now in the previous slide we have seen that he has got a pension, computed pension or lump sum payment of pension of 15 lakh rupees. 15 lakh rupees. 15 lakh rupees. Now, 15 lakh rupees he has got. Now, out of this, something is taxable and something is exempted. So we have to find out what is the exemption and what is the exemption and what is the taxability. So three things we have to find out for this. Let's see one by one. So total pension, committed pension, he got 15 lakh rupees. Now this is 3/4 of the total pension which is given in the problem. Now we have to find out, the first step we have to find out is total pension. The formula is there in front of you. See, 3/4 he is commuting and is getting 15 lakh rupees. 3/4 is commuting and is getting a lump sum amount of. So total pension is how much? What is the total pension? Total pension is just cross multiply 15 lakhs into 4 by 3. 15 lakhs into 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is equal to 20 lakhs. So 20 lakhs you got. So 20 lakhs is the total pension. This is the total pension. This is divided into two parts. One is, as I already told in the last class, commuted pension and uncommuted pension. Now, commuted pension already he has commuted to 15 lakh rupees, and this is called as monthly payment, and he's now going to get 4,000 rupees per month as a uncommuted pension till he dies. He will keep on getting monthly 4,000 rupees per month as pension, monthly pension, and this is fully taxable under the income from salary. Hope you have understood it. Now, hope you have understood. Now, next one. Next one is, after having calculated this given in the problem, this is calculated. Now you have to apply the rule. What is the rule? The rule says that if he's getting pension plus gratuity, if he's getting pension plus gratuity, then the rule is 1/3 of the total pension is exempted from tax. Exempted. 1/3 of the total pension is exempted from tax. So now you know total pension, you know 1/3, just multiply the 20 lakhs into 1/3. That is what I have done here. 20 lakhs into 1/3 is equal to 6,66,667. So this is the exempted amount. This is the exempted amount. Now what you have to do, you have to find out how much is taxable. So taxable part of the commuted pension. Taxable part of the commuted pension is nothing but he is getting a commuted pension of 15 lakh rupees, and by the above calculations we have found that from this 15 lakh rupees, 6,66,667 is exempted from tax. So remaining is 8,33,333, which is taxable. So this is taxable. Basic salary is taxable. DA is taxable. Monthly pension of monthly payment of pension or commuted pension is taxable. And out of 15 lakh rupees, 6,66,667 is exempted from commuted pension, and the remaining 8,33,333 is taxable. So that is the way you calculate taxable part of your commuted pension. Next one is gratuity. So it is given in the problem that he is receiving a gratuity of rupees 10 lakhs at the time of retirement. Good. Okay. Now after this, so he is a non-government employee. For government employee, the rule is fully exempted from tax. But in case of a non-government employee or private employee, we have to find out these three. Apply the rule as I already told in the last class. The rules are 1, 2, 3, 5A, 5B, and 5C. In this case, what is the gratuity received by the employer, by the employee from the employer is 10 lakh rupees. This is number 1. Number 2 is number 3. I will go. What is the statutory limit specified by the government? This is 20 lakh rupees. So you have calculated this. Now this is the third calculation. Let's calculate the third one. The third one is simple rule: years of service into half into salary. So years of service. Yes, put 26 years of service. I am calculating here 26 years of service into half month salary for each completed year of service into salary, average monthly salary. So salary for the purpose is basic salary. Salary for the purpose is DA. salary for the purposes commission is not there, so I will put it as 0 or nil. So now what I will do, salary for the purpose is basic 43,000 and DA 7,000. I will total it and I will multiply with 50,000. 43 plus 7 is equal to 50,000. So if you calculate 26 in years of service into half month for every completed of service and 50,000, you will get this figure. So that is what I have done. 43,000 plus 7,000, sorry, 50,000 into half into 26 years is equal to 6,50,000. 6,50,000 rupees. So hope you have understood it till so far. So you calculated 1, 2 and 3. So among them, whichever is the least is exempted from tax. This is the least. So this is exempted from tax. Exempted. This amount is exempted from, this much amount is exempted from tax. So this amount is exempted from tax. Now how much is taxable? So you received, this person has received 10 lakh rupees of gratuity, and out of this 6.5 lakhs is exempted. So how much is the difference over and above 6.5 lakhs? Is 3.5 lakhs, which is taxable. You have received 10 lakh rupees. You have received, or this employee has received at the time of retirement gratuity of 10 lakh rupees, out of which we have calculated and found that the least is 6.5 lakhs rupees, which is exempted from tax. So the difference is 3.5 lakh rupees. This is fully taxable and kept under the taxable column of the salary. So this is the calculations which goes into the calculations of gratuity, how much is taxable and how much is exempted, and the taxable amount is taken in this column. Hope you have understood it. Next one. Now leave encashment. Very, very important. This is also a retirement benefit. If a leave encashment is received by a government employee or non-government employee, during the service it is fully taxable. But whereas if the same amount is received by a non-government employee at the time of for a government employee at the time of retirement, it is fully exempted from tax. So government employee, if he receives any leave encashment at the time of retirement, it is fully exempted from tax. But in case of a non-government employee or a private employee, then there are some rules to be applied. What are these rules? The rules are one, as already told in the last class, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see one by one. First one is leave encashment received by the employee from the employer at the time of retirement. It is given in the problem that he is receiving a lump sum payment of leave encashment of 7 lakh rupees at the time of retirement. So we have taken this number 1. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is salary equivalent to the earned leave. Now I will do the calculations here. Just pay your attention. He has worked for 26 years, and each year he is entitled to 30 days of leave. So he has 780 days of leaves to his credit during the service. So total leaves available. Total leaves available is equal to 780. How many he has availed? He has availed. It is not given in the problem, but it is told that he has 12 months of leave still to the credit, which he can't, which are still unavailed. So that is equal to 360 days are still pending. So the difference between this and this is 420 days. So this much he has availed. This is availed. This is availed, and this much is unavailed. This unavailed leaves are the ones which are converted into cash, or leave salary, equivalent salary is received. So this 360 days is nothing but 12 months salary you will, or the employee is the retiring employee is going to encash 12 months. So this is here 12 months into salary. Already I told salary for the purpose in the last class. I told salary for the purpose of calculation of retirement benefit and leave encashment is basic salary plus DA, whatsoever is the amount goes into the calculation of DA, plus commission received by the employee for the turnover achieved by the employee. So here the commission is not there. So already we have seen these two parts, 43,000 and 73,000. So 43 plus 43 plus 7,000 is 5,000. So 50,000 rupees is the monthly salary for the calculation of earned leaves. So 12 months leaves are still pending, which he can't avail because he has retired. So 50,000 into 12 is equal to 6 lakh rupees. So 6 lakh rupees is the third 6 lakh rupees is the second calculation. Third calculation is 10 month salary. Government says that the maximum number of leaves which can remain unavailed till at the time of retirement for the purpose of calculation of leave encashment taxability is only 10 months. 10 months is the maximum granted. So 10 month salary. So 10 month salary is nothing but salary is equal to, already I told you, it 50,000 rupees. So 50,000 into 10 months is equal to 5 lakh rupees. So 1, 2 and 3. Next one is 4. Specific amount specified by the Government of India. By the government, that is Central Board of Direct Taxes has told that the maximum is exempted is 3 lakhs. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Now among them, whichever is lowest, this is the lowest, this is the lowest, is exempted from tax. So now connection between 7 lakhs and 3 lakhs. This is the, out of 7 lakhs, 3 lakhs is exempted. Out of 7 lakhs, 3 lakhs is exempted. 3 lakhs is exempted. So 4 lakhs is taxable. So 4 lakhs is taxable. 4 lakhs is taxable. So I put it in the column, taxable column. 4.5 lakh. So now we have calculated basic salary, DA, monthly pension, commuted pension, gratuity, leave encashment. So DA 3,87,000 is taxable. Sorry, basic salary 3,87,000 is taxable. DA 63,000 is taxable. Commuted pension 3 months 12,000 is taxable. Uncommuted pension, sorry, monthly payment is taxable to the extent of 12,000. Commuted pension out of 15 lakh rupees, 33,333 is taxable. Next one is gratuity. He has received 10 lakhs, exempted 6 lakhs and a half. So taxable is 3.5 lakhs. Leave encashment, he has received 7 lakhs, out of which 3 lakhs is exempted. So taxable is 4 lakhs. So add all this, you will get this figure, and this is the taxable income from salary, taxable salary income. So you can do it on your own if it's. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for patience listening.